Storm's Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Celero5G Plus. This is the 2024 version of the Celero5G Plus. So very nice looking phone. Now you guys have two color options to choose from. You guys have a Twilight blue color or a sunrise orange color option there. So pretty cool there. So you guys have 256 gigabytes of storage, and it's on sale for $49.99 or for retail price $239.99. So not bad at all for a budget 5G smartphone like this. So yeah, that is front and back of the phone. Whole bunch of free front facing camera there, earpiece above that, power and volume keys on the right side of the phone there. Looks like a quad camera setup, pretty cool. Camouflage Celero logo there on the back. Front and back, power button, volume keys on the right side of the phone. Front of the phone, back, quad camera setup. Pretty cool. Left side, micro SD and SIM card slot. The Celero5G Plus is a 7-inch display. That is correct, 7 inches. That's pretty fucking big for a phone. 108 megapixel main camera, 33 hours of talk time, Android 13 on board. It says the Celero5G Plus is the perfect companion for your busy lifestyle with its stunning design, advanced features, and cutting-edge performance. Features mobile experience to the max, and that is very true. Especially with this screen at 7 inches, that's fucking big for a phone. So pretty cool there. If you guys like big screen phones, this is the phone for you. Expansive 7-inch full HD plus display with Golden Glass 3. The large vivid 7-inch full HD plus display brings an immersive media experience to life. Don't be tied to your TV. Take your Celero5G Plus on the go for widescreen viewing, streaming, and productivity. So, like I said, if you guys like big screen phones, this is the phone for you. 7 inches of fun, so why not, right? Quad rear cameras. The quad cameras on the Celero5G Plus are comprised of multiple lenses, each optimized for a specific purpose. These versatile cameras, including an astounding 108 megapixel main camera, covers every photographic need. Unleash your creativity with an array of professional grade features at your fingertips. Premium audio. Unleash a new dimension of sound with a Beastmax audio. Revel in the symphony of every rhythm, melody, and detail, showcased in unparalleled clarity, depth, and resonance. So, pretty cool there. Unmatched performance. Designed to handle the most demanding tasks with ease, the Celero5G Plus octa-core processor revolutionizes the phone. Revolutionize the device's multitasking capabilities. Alright. Extreme power, zero limits. Don't stop to recharge in the middle of your busy day. Get hours of power with fast charging and wireless charging to keep you streaming, working, and gaming all day with a 5,000 mAh battery. Quick charge included in box, and you get wireless charging. So pretty cool for a budget phone like this. So yeah. Optimize security. Protect your personal information with the power of biometrics, and experience a new level of convenience and peace of mind. Right? Premium design. The sleek and stylish look deliver a timeless design available in two captivating colors: sunrise orange and twilight blue, with a glossy high strength glass finish. So very cool, two color options. I think the orange one looks better in my opinion. But that's just my opinion. So you guys have two colors to choose from. So there you go. Y'all guys can compare the different devices, the Celero5G and the Celero5G Plus, to see which phone is right for you. So, pretty cool though. Specs: the Celero5G Plus has a 7-inch display, Full HD Plus, whole in display, 120Hz refresh rate, 5,000 mAh battery, 20W fast charging, 15W wireless charging. That's pretty cool. MediaTek 6879 octa-core chipset, Android 13. The Celero5G Plus weighs 8.25 ounces. Camera 16 megapixel. Front camera 108 megapixel main, 8 megapixel wide, 2 megapixel macro, and a 2 megapixel depth camera on the back. 1080p videos at 30 frames per second. 256 gigabytes of storage. 5G, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.1. Dimensions on the Celero5G Plus: 7.04 inches height, 3.12 inches width, and 0.37 inches depth. Other features include Boost Max audio and the audio jack, so headphone jack on board. So it's always good to see a headphone jack. So very nice there. What's included with the Celero5G Plus is, of course, your Celero5G Plus smartphone, 20W charging brick, Type-C to Type-C charging cable, user guide, and your send ejection tool. So you're sending stuff in the box there. So yeah. So yeah, there you guys have it. The Celero5G Plus is now on Boost Mobile. So if you guys are looking to get a 5G phone on the budget, and for cheap, Boost Mobile has you covered here with the Celero5G Plus. If you guys like big screen phones, this is the phone for you. This has a 7-inch display. The phone is fucking huge. I'm sure it looks big as fucking person. So yeah, 7 inches, that's fucking big for a phone, but that's pretty insane. So if you guys like big screen phones, here you guys get. You guys have 2 color options: Twilight Blue or Sunrise Orange. I think the orange one is better in my opinion, but you guys have 2 color options to choose from. So yeah, it has great specs and features, so not bad for $50 if you guys can get it for $50 or $240. So either way you guys slice it, still great value. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.